Space is exciting. A lot of opportunities for adventure. And adventure is out there.
I grew up in a generation where space exploration was unbelievably exciting. I still remember when Neil Armstrong walked on the moon, I was sitting in front of my little black and white TV taking pictures of the TV screen.
I've had a passion for space and space travel ever since my parents placed me as a toddler in front of a television in 1961 to watch Alan Shepard become the first American to fly into space.
I was only 14 when we first landed on the moon, and that led me to a career as an astronaut. Hi, I'm Charlie Precourt, ATK's Vice President and General Manager of our Space Launch Division.
Vince Cerf, I'm Google's Chief Internet Evangelist.
Emily Briere, and I'm the Mission Director of Time Capsule to Mars. Time Capsule to Mars is a mission that is entirely student-led, student-designed, student-built, and aims to land 3 CubeSat time capsules of humanity on the surface of the red planet.
We have humans in low Earth orbit, in permanent presence on the space station. We've sent humans to the moon and back safely. Mars is the next place to go. That's why it's so important.
I think this whole idea of sending a time capsule to Mars and wondering what would you say, what would you want people 100 years from now to discover about us and our aspirations is a very intriguing thought.
I look forward to being able to etch photographs of my shuttle crews, my family, and my grandkids in particular.
I would love to see a Fuqua flag show up on Mars.
I'd actually really like some kind of literature art piece or something like that to be sent to Mars.
Some pictures of my grandchildren.
My HBO Go password.
I think we should send something that's a characterization of our culture. Modern art, pictures of cities, of villages, of farms.
A picture of our founder, Doc Draper. Doc was instrumental in sending humans to the moon and getting them back to Earth safely.
Sometimes I wish I could send my brother to Mars.
Now, this isn't actually just a stunt either. This is actually going to advance some key technologies that are important for space exploration.
Our international team, centered at MIT's Space Propulsion Lab, is working to send the first ever student-led CubeSat to Mars.
My name is Natalia Brickner, and I'm a PhD candidate in the Space Propulsion Lab here at MIT. In the Space Propulsion Lab, we study, design, and test electric propulsion for satellites. One of our main areas of research is electrospray technology.
Time Capsule to Mars is a unique aerospace project in that we're looking to crowdfund the audacious goal of $25 million.
If you read about the history of the economy of the United States, you discover that it was really technology that allowed us to become where we are today.
STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math, form the groundwork for our next generation workforce. Indeed, those students that are inspired by Mars today will become the operators of Space Launch System in Orion tomorrow.
How can we get the space race more exciting? How can we have the average everyday person feel the connectivity between them and space?
I think the combination of looking out to space and looking into society to see how we can bring people together to accomplish amazing things is a wonderful combination.
Something like this is, something like Apollo, something that everyone can get behind and really rally behind, something that is small enough that they can contribute to, but grand in scope.
I can't think of a better project or a better goal to do something than landing something on Mars, which is something no one else has done, particularly to have it done by grad students and undergraduates.
We're asking you to join us on the first student-led mission to Mars and to leave your legacy on the red planet.